Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching this dance. So let's begin with the first 8 counts and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So on 8 and step with your left foot to the back and with your right foot on 1 step to the front, just like you're walking forward. Then your hands are going to be into fist. Take your right arm and stretch it and move it to the back, all the way to the back, and then with your left fist put it in front of your chest like this. So all together on 1, take it to the back. So and 1, you're going to step, so and 1, and make sure to look to the side when you take your hands all the way to the back like this. Then on 2, you're going to step with your left foot forward and put your right arm in front of you. Okay, that's on 2. So and 1, 2. On 3, you're going to turn. So take your right foot, step and turn, and step on your left foot to finish. So turn and step on your left foot. Then you're going to raise your arms up like this, legs separated, arms up. That's on 4. So all together and 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, next up is 5 and 6 and. So your hips are moving from left to the right, to the left and right. Your arms being up are going to go down to the left, then switch to the right. So 5 and. Then on 6, take your right fist and hit the left side of your hip, okay, like this. On 6 and on 7, hit the right side of your hip. So 5 and hit, hit. And to finish on 7, 8, after 6 and, you're going to tool your hands and put them into fist like this. And while doing so, you're going to slide your right leg and join them together. Okay, join your legs together. But before joining your legs, you're going to bring your hands in and out. Okay, like boom. Okay, and take your hands out. So 6 and 7, 8. Okay, from here, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, boom. Now let's repeat from the very beginning. So and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's repeat one last time. Well done. So and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So with your right, step forward, then step to the back and step, step. Your hands to your hips, step to the front, to the back, and with your hands into fist, like knock your chest twice and then your hips. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Okay, easy. After that on 5 and 6 and 7, 8, you're going to put your right fist down. Okay, take your right leg out and your right fist is going to go down to the left side. Then take that right fist, okay, make sure you look to the front, take that right fist up, then switch and left fist down, okay, and look down. So before we were looking to the front, but when you finish, look down, okay. And also you can see how my right knee is bent first when we start, but then when we switch, we bend our left knee, okay, to the right side. So let's repeat this part. After we step, 5, right, left, down. Then on 7, you're going to look to the front, okay? So from looking to the side, look to the front. And on 8, again, twirl your hands into fist. And while doing so, raise your right leg up, okay? And prepare for the next move. So from 8, raise your right leg up, okay? So now let's do a quick recap of this part. So 5 and 6 and 7, look, 8, leg up. Okay, one more time. From the beginning, after this, step, 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 right down, left up, down. Look, and right leg up. One more time with count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good job, we're done with the first half. Let's do a quick recap from the very beginning. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, turn, up, 5, and 6, and 7, boom. Step, step, walk, walk, 5, and 6, and look, up. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Next up is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after lifting your right leg up on 8, make sure your fists are up, your right leg is also up like this, okay, and hold there for 1, 2, okay, so 1 and 2. Then on 3 and 4, you're going to just like make a big circle in, so your fists are going to go in and out, okay, at the sides of your body. So in, out. You're going to also jump while you do so. And on 4, you're going to take your right hip out. So when it says boost, take your hip out. So boots, that's my ego boost. Then lastly, on 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to step with the left, right, left, right, your your left hand to your hip, and with your right fist, you're going to make 2 crosses, okay? Cross, cross, and cross, cross, okay? So from here, ego boost, step, 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 step. Okay, one more time. So boot, that's my ego boost, cross, 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 cross. Next up is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, pose, 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 roll, roll, up. So step out on 1, move your hip to the right side on 2, so step and move. Maintain your hand there on your hip, and with your right index finger, you're going to point up to the left side and point to the right side. So that's on 7, 8, 1, 2. On the end, take your hand out. Then on 3, take that hand down, okay, place it in like on top of your head. Your hand is still there. So 3 and 4, take that hand out and move your hip to the right side. Okay, so from and 3, 4, okay, and that hand is going to form into fist and take it out. Your head is also going to move, okay, out. So, and 3 and 4, okay. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Then on 5, 6, move your hips, okay, from right to left, and also move your right fist up and up, okay. Roll it 2 times. So, and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. One more time. So 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. After that, you're going to pose 3 times. Then you're going to just be random poses. So pose, pose, and pose. And after that, make sure your hands are on top of your hip so you can lean down and roll your head 2 times. Okay? So from there, take your hands up. Let's repeat. Pose, pose, and pose. Lean and roll your head twice and arms go out. Let's repeat from here. So from 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, pose, 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 roll, roll, arms out. From the beginning, so boot, that's my ego, boost, cross, 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 point, point, and 3 and 4, 5, 6, pose, 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 roll, roll, out. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, pose, 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 roll, roll, out. 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, pose, 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 roll, roll, out. My darling, I love you.